Welcome everyone to my channel. This is Arijita from Magnetic Aura with Arijita. If you are new here, you can follow me in YouTube, the same name, and also I'm there in Facebook. You can follow there. If you want to do a one-to-one card reading, you can also book me from the Spark Live. So today I again came here today to do the soul reading for this week. So let's see what I can see for you. See, I do the reading for not for the future telling, because these cards work as a mirror reflection, okay, about ourselves. So we can do the reading on each and every layer, like thoughts, emotions, and the physical layer, so that you can be aware that where we need to work on this week, and we can grow very faster way. Growth is all about not only the physical growth. When we change our thought process, then only the growth happens in the physical layers also. That is the only significance of life also. When we can be very successful, but yet we can be very happy, joyful life we can lead. That is the thing life is all about. That is the learning we all are here to experience. So let's see what is the reading today. I can see this week many people are suffering unnecessary fear. This card talk about the unnecessary fear. This is 9 of Spade, and this is unnecessary. See what I'm telling. This is unnecessary. So whatever the thing you are thinking a lot, please do stop that, because whatever you think, that kind of situation will come, and that kind of experience you will gain. So why not use the law of thought in a positive manner, so that you can create a better reality, not for yourself but for others also. When you can be happy, then only you can help others to be happy, right? So this card is a reminder. Don't be fearful. Whatever the situation is, sit and see that clearly why this situation have arisen in your life. When you clearly see that, then only you can easily solve that. Let me give you an example. If you are facing any issues in your life, sit quietly, introspect. See why this kind of situation you are in. Why? Suppose, see, some people say that I don't like the job, right now I'm not liking the job, but the struggle is here. Why you are not liking the job? That is the first question should be. Why then? So when you find that, then only come the questions that what should I do then if I don't like this job. So then only comes the passion. So you can start a parallelly something that gives you happiness, joy. So when time comes, you can leave your job and do in a different, get any new opportunity in your life that actually fulfill your emotions, whatever, your life, you will be fulfilled, that you can move on. And this card is telling me this is the time for union. See, I already have explained you. Sit quietly, do meditate, go inside. This is a card. It's talk about when you connect to yourself. When you connect to yourself, all the problems solved, because everyone is a soul and they have a purpose. So the problem happens because we don't connect with the souls, and we forgot that passion, the purpose that we carry inside. I give you example. Suppose you are a mango tree and you want to be something like jackfruit. You cannot be, right? So whenever you will try to be like that, it will lose the old existence. That will create the problem. So whatever the blueprint you carry, that is within you. When you sit quietly, you connect with your own self. This is we call union with the own self. You do meditate, do introspect, find out where the issue is. See, obstacle is a way where you will find out what you don't want. So when you know that what you don't want, you can also know that what you want. So move, see, visualize properly, write it down, what you don't want, what are the things you are not liking in your life right now that is creating fear in your life, and change that. And this is the card is still talking about choice. Choice only can come when you do introspect properly and you choose after then, this is the path I choose because this is the path is not for me anymore. This is also talk about balance. This balance is physical balance that only can happen when you balance your thought. Let me give you example. Suppose you want something, but when you want ice cream, and then you saw someone they are eating chocolate, and then again you become confused inside and what you should eat, and that create the confusion. You cannot choose properly. Similarly, in the physical world, you have to be clear what you want. So the process is introspect wherever you are facing the issue, the fear, unnecessary fear, whatever it is, write it down properly and then connect with yourself so that you can be clear about that. What are the things you are following, it's not good for you, and then choose properly. So this week is for introspection. Do introspect your life and make a plan out of it so that you can easily move on. So do that, follow the steps. If you are liking this kind of video, please do share and follow my channel, and see you on the next week.